Good morning students. Today I will teach you topic of Microsoft Word. This is for the class 7th. First of all, introduction of Word. Microsoft Word, often called Word. It is a graphically word processing program that users can type with. Here you can see the interface of this MS Word. In this document window you can write your text like any application, any letter. Here in upper side there is given a title bar. Title bar show you the name of the document. This is the menu bar. Here are the some options for menu. And last is scroll bar. Scroll bar is the bottom area of the Word. Now some features we will cover in this video. Creating and saving a document. First is creating and saving. How to create a new file and save this file. You can use the file menu option to new and save your file. So through this option you can make a new file and save your file for future use. Second is editing and formatting. Editing means you can make the changes in your document, and formatting means you can make your text more attractive, like you can make your text bold. Bold means darker. Italic means stylish. And underlines, suppose you want to make underline anything, you can use this option. So this is the editing and formatting a document. Next is inserting header and footer and page number. Suppose you want to add any header part or any footer part, or you want to add the page number, you can use this option. Next is checking spelling and grammar. Sometimes we find the error in our spelling, so you can use this option to make your spelling correction. This is a facility given by the Word because it is a built-in library, dictionary library, which give you facility to correct your spelling. Now next you can see here the example of the spelling error. Here are given the program is wrong, so through the spelling and grammar option you can use the correct the spelling of program. Subscript and superscript. For example, suppose you want to write anything like this, M upper side of 3, this is the superscript, and subscript in which bottom side. So this is the subscript, superscript and subscript. Next, inserting clip art, word art and picture. Suppose you want to add any sticker pictures, you can use the clip art option. Suppose you want to add any stylish writing, you can use the word art option. In word art give you the facility to different types of collection of stylish text. In picture there are given some pictures you can add in your document. Here look at here, the insert option are given. In insert you can use the picture option, clip art option, shapes, smart art, chart. In insert option you can use the clip art option. This is the word art collection. Now next is inserting symbols. Suppose you want to add some different symbols in your document, you can use the inserting symbols. This is also a given MS Word. Next is bullets and numbers. Bullets and number is also a features of MS Word, in which you can make your text in number wise. Suppose you want to make a list of items, you can use the bullets and number option. Look at here, this is the bullets, different sizes, different designing, and this is the number facility, in which suppose you want to make list alphabetically or number wise, you can use it. Next is searching a word and replacing it by another word. Suppose you want to search a word in your document and replace with another word, you can use this facility. Now next is the last features of the MS Word is inserting table in file. Suppose you want to make your document in which you want to show your data in table format, so you can use this option. This option is provided by the insert menu in table. You can select the column and row, or you can make your on your table insert table option. Now look at here, suppose you add the table, here are the rows and here are the columns. Now quiz time. In quiz time you have to give these answers. First is write down any 5 features of MS Office Word. What do you understand by checking spelling and grammar? Third, what is MS Word? And fourth is what is a clip art? So listen my this video carefully and write this answer in your notebook. Thank you for watching my this video. Please like it.